Thank you.
We also have a tradition where you get to high five your statue. So if you have a chance to do that.
Yeah, just wait for that econ final. Let me see the pit.
Canyon and Cedar Breaks. Any questions? All those folks who wanted to see Zion, Bryce, the North Rim of the Grand Canyon.
Wide on set, hold for camera, and action, and cut.
Got those drone clips.
Awesome, thanks.
When they purchase shares of stock.
Okay, great job. Let's have you hook up the IV and set the pump to infuse heparin at 12 units per kilogram.
Here we're demonstrating the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide with manganese dioxide to the sun.